Experiencing car troubles and suspect a bad transmission range sensor? You're in the right place. This video will guide you through the signs, causes, and fixes for a faulty sensor. The transmission range sensor, or TRS, is a crucial component in your vehicle's transmission system. It tells your car's computer what gear the transmission is in, which is vital for proper shifting and starting the engine. Let's dive into the common signs and symptoms that indicate your transmission range sensor might be failing. One of the first indicators is often a lit-up check engine light, or even an ABS light on your dashboard. These warnings signal that something is amiss with your vehicle's system. You might notice difficulty shifting gears, or your car may shift erratically, feeling rough or unpredictable as it changes speeds. Starting issues are also a big red flag. If your car struggles to start or won't start at all, especially in neutral or park, a bad TRS could be the culprit. Another symptom is the transmission getting stuck in, quote, limp mode. This is a protective feature that limits engine power and gear selection to prevent further damage, often leaving you with only one or two gears. So what causes these sensors to fail in the first place? Let's look at the common culprits. Electrical issues are a primary cause. This includes faulty wiring, corrosion on the sensor's terminals, or even loose connections that disrupt the signal. Like many car parts, the TRS is subject to wear and tear over time. Exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, and road debris can also accelerate its degradation. Now that you know the signs and causes, how do you diagnose and fix a bad transmission range sensor? The first step is to use an OBD-II scanner. This tool plugs into your car's diagnostic port and can read error codes that pinpoint the problem, often indicating a specific sensor issue. Once diagnosed, the fix typically involves replacing the faulty sensor. If corrosion is the issue, cleaning the corroded connections can sometimes resolve the problem. Deciding whether to tackle this yourself or seek professional assistance depends on your comfort level with car repairs. DIY can save money, but a professional mechanic has the expertise and specialized tools for a precise fix. Addressing a bad transmission range sensor promptly is crucial for your vehicle's safety and longevity. Ignoring these issues can lead to more severe and costly transmission problems down the line. Drive safely and don't hesitate to address these signs.
And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more straightforward car repair tips that help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.